Hi, welcome to Troubadour's videos. Today we're going to take a close look at CASELABS Magnum TH10 PC case. CASELABS Magnum TH10 case arrived in a rather plain brown cardboard box. However, the overall care taken in taping and sealing the box did indeed impress me, as this was a first indication that there was something very precious inside. When opening the box, it's easy to see that even more care has been taken to carefully package this case and ensure it arrives in nothing short of pristine condition to the customer. So let's get this monster of a case out of the box and have a close look at CASELABS Magnum TH10 PC case. This case has a 2.5mm all aluminum construction and comes in a charcoal black finish. The left side of the case is standard and features a hinged ventilated door, although a solid door option is available. The front of the case is user configurable and on the left contains 13 5¼ flex bays, and on the right provisions for installing 4 120mm cooling fans for case ventilation. The input-output control panel in the centre of the case is the upgraded option and contains 4 USB 2.0 ports, headset mic and audio jacks, firewire port, and illuminated reset and on-off buttons. To access the flex bays and fan mounting options for this case, you will need to detach the removable aluminum front panel. Removal of the flex bay covers is an easy process. Simply remove the corresponding screws. The front panel and flex bays of the TH10 case offers the user an overwhelming amount of room for accessories or customization options. The rear of the case has a removable motherboard tray which features a honeycomb natural venting grille, 10 PCIe expansion slots, input-output shield cutout, mounting for a 120mm cooling fan, and at the top of the case, 4 large cooling hose pass-throughs ideal for water cooling enthusiasts. Removal of the motherboard tray is quick and easy. Unscrew the 4 retaining screws and with the accessory handle attached, slide the motherboard tray to the rear of the case. To provide a silky smooth and high quality feel, CASELABS have installed a low friction nylon guide rail system for the removable motherboard tray. This system also includes a tapered rail entry for easy alignment of the tray upon reinstallation. The rear of the case also supports the installation of 2 power supplies. This is a great expansion feature that will typically be utilised by PC enthusiasts or those who fall under the category of absolutely bonkers raving mad. The right side of the PC case features a 2.5mm thick aluminum hinge door with a large ventilation grille, although there is a solid side panel option also available. The bottom of the case includes mounting points for 8 120mm cooling fans or installation of 2 480mm liquid cooling radiators. The case also has 4 mounting points for installing case feet or casters to elevate the case to provide ground clearance for added ventilation. The top of the case comes with a standard ventilated top cap or cover, but also has a solid panel option available. To access the case's top features, you will have to remove the top panel. This reveals additional mounting points for 8 120mm cooling fans or 2 480mm water cooling radiators. The motherboard compartment door comes with several options available, including solid panel, ventilated panel, and standard or XL plexiglass windows. These windows are available in a variety of colours, including grey, clear, blue, amber, red, or green. Here you see the clear option, which arrived with a protective blue plastic film on the window to prevent scuffing or scratching during shipping. Both right and left door panels are hinged to provide quick and easy access to the case's interior. Inside the motherboard tray compartment, you have an overwhelming amount of space for component installation. The removable motherboard tray is manufactured from aluminum and comes in a HPTX form factor, but is also backward compatible with ATX, eATX and XL ATX form factors. For convenience, the motherboard tray comes with all standoffs pre-installed, so be sure to correctly align your motherboard and remove any unnecessary standoffs prior to installation. The motherboard tray also has a super large CPU cutout, which provides easy access to the rear of the CPU socket for maintenance or CPU cooler upgrades. Inside the case, you also have 11 large rubber grommeted pass-throughs, which greatly assist with neat cable management. As standard, the power supply bay door is available in solid panel or ventilated panel options. Additionally, but not shown here, there are window options available at an additional cost. Inside the power supply bay, you have an extreme amount of real estate for installing PC components and accessories. The front control panel cable bundle is the upgraded option and includes all cable connections for USB, Firewire, mic and audio jacks, on-off reset buttons, and power and hard disk drive activity LEDs. The on-off and reset buttons are vandal-resistant Lamptron items and come pre-wired for easy installation. The included hard disk drive cage houses up to 4 3.5-inch hard disk drives. Optionally, 3 additional hard disk drive cages can be installed in this section of the case to provide a total capacity of 16 hard disk drives. With CASELABS Magnum TH10 case, you will also receive the following accessory items: 4 anti-scuff rubber case feet and installation screws, 8 standard 5.25-inch flex bay accessory mounts with screws, 2 dual bay 5.25-inch flex bay accessory mounts, 2 stubby or short 5.25-inch flex bay mounts, motherboard installation screws, a spare parts kit, hard disk drive installation kit which comprises of 16 rubber shock mounts and 16 stepped screws for installing 4 hard disk drives, and 4 rubber grommets for water cooling pass-throughs on the top rear of the case, and plastic cable ties for basic cable management. Now let's have a look at some of the customizing or additional options for the TH10 case. These options are readily available from CASELABS, but do come at an extra cost. If you want to assemble, troubleshoot or test your basic PC configuration prior to case installation, CASELABS provide a TechStation accessory option. To provide additional air cooling within the case, the following accessories are available to the air cooling PC enthusiast: a flex bay option for mounting 120mm cooling fans to the front of the case, a vertical accessory brace that can be utilized with a variety of mounts, including 120mm fan brackets for additional GPU cooling, CPU cooling, memory cooling, or boosting case airflow. And for the water cooling enthusiast, the following options are available: a radiator flex bay option for installing an additional 480mm radiator to the front of the case, and a horizontal accessory mount option for again installing an additional 480mm radiator into the power supply bay. Be mindful, however, that installing an additional radiator in the power supply bay will inhibit the installation of a second power supply. And for both air cooling and water cooling enthusiasts, the following options are also available: a power supply support bracket, a solid state drive bay option which is capable of housing up to 2 solid state drives per mount, a front panel cable extension kit, an extended top cover which provides additional space to relocate fans or radiators from within the case, and finally, to provide an added level of mobility to your case once it's fully loaded with hardware, there's a caster wheel option. So let's take a look at the tech spec of CASELABS Magnum TH10 PC case and install some wicked hardware. Overall, CASELABS Magnum TH10 Enthusiast PC case is an absolutely phenomenal piece of equipment. It has all the functionality, customization options, and internal real estate a PC enthusiast could ever want for their next killer build. Its all aluminum construction and high quality, durable finish should provide you years of service and last you many builds or projects. CASELABS Magnum TH10 Enthusiast PC case is 100% Troubadour approved. For more information on CASELABS Magnum TH10 PC case, feel free to contact them directly at cs@caselabs.net. Thanks again for watching Troubadour's videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, or even swing by our forums at www.troubadourforums.com, where only the true enthusiasts hang out.